God has created every living thing with the wonderful visual system it needs. Human beings have marvelous eyes that allow them to see on land. But underwater vision is quite blurred. The reason for this is that the human eye has problems focusing underwater. To solve this difficulty, we use underwater goggles that form a pocket of air around our eyes. We can only see clearly underwater with the help of these goggles. In the same way, human beings use high-tech cameras in order to take pictures underwater. Dolphins' eyes are just like special cameras that let them see clearly both under the water and above it. They have elastic lenses on their eyes that expand and contract to allow them to focus below and above water. This is an important need for dolphins. Every time dolphins surface, they take careful notice of the movements of the flocks of birds around them. This is because wherever a flock of birds gathers, there is a school of fish. Dolphins know this very well and use the information to find easy hunting opportunities. This special design in the dolphin's eyes also protects them from the salty seawater. Dolphins' eyes have another special characteristic. Each eye can focus on a different point at the same time. Because of this, a dolphin can look ahead with one eye in the direction of which it is swimming, while it can scout around for danger with the other. A school of sharks, for example. When necessary, a dolphin can even shut one eye and let one half of its brain go to sleep. Later, it shuts the other eye, allowing the other half of its brain to sleep. In this way, it never goes completely to sleep and is always protected from danger. Those that support the theory of evolution claim that all living creatures on Earth, with all their flawless systems, came into existence as a result of chance. If that were the case, It would also be necessary for the Dolphins sonar system and superior seeing mechanisms to be the work of chance. Whereas no one would suggest that an electronic sonar system or a camera could come into existence in this manner. To claim that a dolphin's eyes, which are technologically far superior to a normal camera, or its wonderfully designed sonar system, are the result merely of chance, is illogical. The fact that such an advanced technological system has been placed in the body of a living creature shows us a plain fact. God created dolphins and gave them the special qualities that they possess.